2024 Tesla Model 3 after 6 years and blockbuster sales amounting to 2 million units sold globally. Tesla has given the Model 3 a new lease of life with aesthetic enhancements, more range, and features upgrade. Following a fanatical public discourse around numerous spy shots and speculation, the new Model 3 could be one of the most anticipated electric vehicles of the year. The refreshed Model 3, which was apparently internally codenamed Project Highland, is more chiseled, flown, a redesigned front and rear ends, and gets a new interior. Tesla said it has improved its aerodynamics to extract more range and to reduce drag and whine noisy. For now, the updates have come only to the European rear-wheel drive and long-range or LR versions. The seal has remained identical, while the rear end features prominent wraparound C-shaped taillights with Tesla not spilled out between the lights, replacing the logo. The multi-spoke wheel design is also new. The brand is adding 2 new colors, Ultra Red and Steel Gray. The dimensions remain largely the same, but the Model 3 is now longer by an inch, measuring 185.8 inches, 4,720 millimeters, while it is 1/10 of an inch shorter in height at 56.7 inches, 1,441 millimeters. Ground clearance, on the other hand, is negligibly reduced from 5.5 inches, 140 millimeters to 5.4 inches, 138 millimeters as per the spec sheets. The estimate WLTP range for the update LVD Model 3 with 18-inch wheels is 344 miles, 554 kilometers, while the LR variant is good for 421 miles, 678 kilometers. That's roughly an 11 to 12% increase from the current model WLTP range of 305 and 374 miles, respectively. Note that the EPA feature will vary significantly for the US spec electric sedan.